I Am Law Apparel and Products celebrates you as a champion of justice, fairness, and ethical advocacy. This brand is yours because you promote and support moral and humane laws in their fair application. I Am Law products are more than just things. They are tangible affirmations that encourage you to build a fulfilling life for yourself, your family, and your community. With I Am Law Affirmation Apparel and Products, you can support your passion for self-empowerment and community development. Join the movement, be the change. Start living your best life today and let I Am Law Affirmation Apparel and Products help you. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at IAmProducts.Store.